DraftSight 2026 is a professional, feature-rich DWG design and drafting solution. Let's take a look at some of the great features that are coming in the new release, highlighted by ECW image support, the new start page, floating windows, block attribute import, and get block info. Import and display ECW compressed raster images such as aerial and satellite maps directly into your drawings. DraftSight's new Start page welcomes you when the program launches and centralizes key tasks like opening recent files, creating new drawings, and accessing templates. The new Import Block Attributes command in DraftSight allows users to quickly update block attributes by importing data from external sources. The Get Block Info command in DraftSight lets you instantly tally how many instances of a particular block exist within a selected area or the entire drawing. The Hatch pattern enables users to define or insert custom hatches directly in their drawing. With custom color books, you can instantly access the full range of Pantone colors or upload your own personalized color libraries. You can embed diesel expressions to pull system variables or toggle menu behavior, allowing interface elements to update in real time. The new floating windows feature lets you seamlessly drag drawing tabs to another monitor, giving you the freedom to work across multiple screens. Access all of your pattern and gradient tools in one convenient ribbon tab. The streamlined layout makes creating and editing patterns faster and more intuitive. The PCX file type in DraftSight is a plotted configuration file that stores settings for a specific plot.